Today I am reviewing this really unique LED ceiling light. It has a very modern look. Check it out. All LEDs with crystals in here. Nice chrome finish up there which helps reflect the light. One of these arms is movable, so you can have it in this pattern, and then you can also twist it and kind of change whatever look you want. You know, you can twist it over here or put it all the way back over there like so. You can get it all the way over here. You can get all the way over here, or I like them where it's like that, where one's kind of going that way, the other's going that way. Also nice, it's vented up there, which is good. I like that they're integrated LEDs, and with the little like crystal like, it adds a nice dimension. Chrome on the back, definitely very modern. You can see how the crystals are casting a nice light way out into the room, so it's going to add a lot more dimension with a small light. Pretty cool. Could be used in a lot of different areas. Bedroom, be pretty cool in a bathroom, closet, you know, even a living room. I have this in my office right here. Overall cool light, and yeah, again, very easy to install. Movable arm is pretty neat. Get that up above there. You can put it so it's like that. You know, so we're having this cool look. Pretty versatile. And then, yeah, and then just pull it back out. Simple as that. Like that. Or I like it where it looks like both are about even, like that. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.